Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am back. I'm sorry I was gone for so long, but I had so much going on, like a lot going on, and I couldn't take the time to sit and make nail videos as often as I wanted to. But I am back. I missed making videos, but I'm back. Now this video doesn't look like your regular nail video, and that's what I wanted to talk about in this video, the changes that I'm going to be making to my channel. Now I wanted to start making nail drawing videos because I do want to come back and making videos, but I won't be able to make nail videos as often as I was because I don't have time to sit down and make the videos, and it takes a long time to sit down and film nail videos. Like, it can take hours to do your nails, and it can also take a lot of time to edit, and I don't have the time anymore, as well as other things that fall under me not being able to make those videos as often. Now I can make them sometimes, but it won't be as often as I used to, which is why I wanted to kind of start drawing nails, because I've never seen a channel dedicated to nail drawing videos. Now I'm going to draw some designs that I make on my own, but I mostly want to draw some designs that y'all suggest in the comments, like a design that you want to do on your nails, you just don't exactly know what you want yet and you want me to draw it, or just a design that you want to see me draw, but I mostly want to draw your suggestions down in the comments. And I do want to try something else, because I don't want it to just be nail drawing videos. Those might not be too entertaining. So in the videos, I want to try to talk about, trending topics or certain things going on. And then I want y'all to tell me how y'all feel about these topics in the comments, as well as your suggestion for a nail design that I should draw. But that's most of the change. Like I said, I might do a few nail tutorial videos, but it won't be as often as it was. I'm still gonna do the secret emoji shout outs. I'm gonna add extra secret emoji shout outs in the next video that I upload, but I'm still doing the secret emoji shout outs. But I just wanted to update y'all on my channel and tell you that I'm back, and I really miss you guys, and I thank you guys so much for the support that y'all have been showing. Like, I've still been getting comments, I've still been getting subscribers, still been getting views. Like, y'all are amazing, and I see it every day, and I thank you guys so much. But that's it, y'all. I can't wait to make more videos, and thank you guys so much again for all the support. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.